HoaPhat is the leading multi-industrial production group in Vietnam. Its core business is steel manufacturing, and it makes up 80% of the group's annual sales and profit. HoaPhat is the largest manufacturer of construction steel in Vietnam and has the largest domestic market share. HoaPhat Steel has been the first choice for many important projects across Vietnam, from bridges to roads, urban areas to high-rise buildings, and even factories and seaports. HoaPhat is the first company to export steel to global markets such as USA and Canada. HoaPhat Steel was established in 2000 as HoaPhat Steel Joint Stock Company. In 2007, HoaPhat Steel began in Kinh Mon, Hai Duong. This important project contributed to it becoming the leading steel producer in Vietnam. In December 2009, HoaPhat Steel produced its first batch of pig iron. In 2013, HoaPhat Steel Complex increased HoaPhat overall steel capacity to 1.2 million tons per year. In 2014, HoaPhat raised construction steel capacity to 1 million tons. And in 2016, the third phase was completed and capacity was raised to 2 million tons per year. Today, HoaPhat Steel is a diverse company with civil and industrial steels of high durability, easily meeting international standards. HoaPhat has increased high-quality steel production to serve domestic market and for exporting. These products were previously imported from other countries such as China. HoaPhat is one of the only companies capable of producing wire-drawing quality wire rod. The complex is just 90 kilometers from Hanoi, 30 kilometers from Haiphong, and 70 from Hon Net Anchorage, which can receive 55,000 megaton vessels. It has a river port and capacity of up to 6 million tons per year, which can transport goods more efficiently and faster. HoaPhat is one of the few enterprises using blast furnace steel technology in Vietnam. Firstly, imported iron ore is processed to meet standards. Then, blended ore is refined through sintering and pelleting and delivered to the blast furnace. Additives such as lime and dolomite are added for quality. After the ore is changed through the top of the blast furnace, then heated air is passed through the tuyeres into the blast furnace. Hot air combined with coke and superheated fuels start to form into hot metal. After, the metal is transported to a steel mill via a rail system. HoaPhat Steel Complex in Hai Duong is the first steel plant using blast furnace technology in Vietnam. During the refining process, scrap is added to regulate the temperature and boost productivity. Lime and furrow are added to produce different grades of steel. In the mill, there is a furnace to refine products into a high-grade steel. Low-grade steel products are delivered from the blast furnace to the continuous casting machine to produce square billet product. Hot billets are transferred to the rolling mill. The billets are put into reheat furnace. Through rolling and shaping, rebar and wire rods are produced. Coke is both fuel and raw materials and plays an important role. The plant has 2 coke line systems with a capacity of 800,000 tons a year. HoaPhat Steel's advanced technology is safe for the environment. The heat generated during the coking process is recycled, which powers the plant. The pollutants are then treated before being released. There are 3 units generating 52 megawatts per hour capacity. This provides 50% of the total demand. The complex has 2 main production systems for lime and pellet, which provide raw materials for hot metal and steel production. Iron ore concentrate is used to produce pellets. The finished product is placed into the furnace ready to make metal. The complex has 3 pellet production lines and capacity equivalent to 900,000 tons a year. 3 lime production lines have the capacity equivalent to 350 tons per year. The lime is used for sintering and steel making. 3 sintering lines have a daily capacity of 7,300 tons and use raw materials including iron ore, fine iron ore, low-Fe iron ore, anthracite coal, lime and dolomite. The blast furnaces have a capacity of 5,200 tons. The systems of loading, bleeding and injecting ensures high quality of billet for production. HoaPhat Steel has created the largest coal injection system in Vietnam. Injecting coal combined with enhanced oxygen will reduce coke and increase productivity. HoaPhat operates 3 steel mills using BOF, Basic Oxygen Furnace technology, with an annual capacity of 2,000 tons. This is the most modern technology used in Vietnam, reduces energy consumption and is environmentally friendly. On the modern Italian steel rolling line, 3 rolling plates produce low carbon rebar from D10 to D55 high quality, with wire rod from 6 to 10 millimeters. Previously, Vietnam has only produced products rated D41. HoaPhat has 3 gas-powered reheat furnaces which can produce 2 million tons of steel per year. The complex has a workshop for repairs, guaranteeing all operations are safe 24/7. Many people associate steel mills with dust, pollution and damage to the environment. HoaPhat is different, and the production process has brought benefits to the company. All exhaust gas heat from production is collected by pipelines. The gas is recovered and processed through filtration system. Then, mixed clean air is stored in the gas tank. The gas will be reused as fuel at various stages of production. The heat recovery solution also delivers nearly 50% of the total electricity demand. The dust is collected through a filter system and then reused in sintering and blast furnaces. HoaPhat Steel Complex uses around 60,000 cubic meters of water per hour. The water is continually recycled through the system and not released into the environment. 10 settling tanks have been built to collect all rainwater, dirt and grease. After being treated, all wastewater is recycled throughout the plant. HoaPhat's cutting-edge technology has created a competitive advantage in the market, as well as being environmentally friendly to the surrounding area. HoaPhat is constantly working towards its long-term vision of sustainable development. HoaPhat's current success will be the foundation for new heights and greater achievements. Zong Quat Complex in Quang Ngai will be the next milestone in the story of HoaPhat Steel, making HoaPhat a major producer in Asia and across the world. With a target of 100 trillion Vietnamese dong by 2020, HoaPhat will reach new heights supplying quality products and be trusted across not only Vietnam, but all over the world.